friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte Radeon RX 6800 XT Gaming OC Pro graphics card. So friends, the company released the Radeon RX 6800 XT Gaming OC Pro, a new graphics card model in the company's main Gigabyte gaming board, positioned a notch below the AORUS Gaming series, and the new Gaming OC Pro features significantly larger cooler than the original RX 6800 XT Gaming OC, measuring at least 33 cm in length, up from roughly 29 cm for the original RX 6800 XT Gaming OC. And friend, it turned out that the Gigabyte is sitting on plenty of cooling solution it originally ordered from its supplier for Radeon RX 6950 XT Gaming OC, and is now reusing them for other SKUs based on the same Navi 21 GPU such as the RX 6800 XT, and the company is also reusing the same PCB and friends, selling for around $550 to $650 USD, and the RX 6800 XT remains a formidable 1440p gaming graphics card for classic raster 3D graphics, although its ray tracing performance is closer to those mid-range GeForce RTX 30 series models such as RTX 3060 Ti, and a reuse of the RX 6950 XT board design means that the new RX 6800 XT Gaming OC Pro has 3 8-pin power inputs instead of 2 on the original RX 6800 XT Gaming OC. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.